We're walking to the bus stop to catch a bus, hopefully quick enough to go to the central station to catch our train. We're gonna make it. All right, so one of the issues is I never know how the stops are pronounced. It always mixes me up, but I'm pretty sure this is it. You're bad forget. Yeah. Let's go. I think we made it.
So I really highly recommend, if you travel, you always wake up an hour before you have to be somewhere at least.
So our next stop is the stop we have to get out on, and it's been the craziest weather. You're gonna see right now we're in a tunnel so I can film this, but right when it gets light, it's literally white everywhere right now. You can tell. I can't even see anything. It's all white, snow is around us completely. Sometimes we'll see a little rock sticking out, so this will be interesting. All right, let's see what the weather's like here. It's not too bad. Just a little blizzard going on. Where are you? There you are. It's like snowflakes. Let's catch some of them. Look at that. All right, we're supposed to go over there. Let's go. All right, so this is Myrdal. All right, so we're here. We gotta go to Flam next, so let's go find the right train.
We're getting off for a photo op.
Whoa. It's an ancient Nordic legend that there's wild creatures that sing and basically enchant men to go into the waterfalls. That church has been here since 1667. Just so you know, that's around 100 years before America was declared independent from Britain. So that's crazy. So this is our hotel right here. Some people want it to happen, some wish it would happen, others make it happen. True. All right, so we started here, California, and let me rotate this ball real quick. And we are now, gotta go a little bit more north, above Africa, above France. Boom, Flam. Right, here we go. We're riding some bikes. Milana is doing really good. She doesn't ride bikes often, but she's doing great. Hopefully I do not fall by filming us. But this is insane. I wish if you guys can really, I hope it gets captured. Because it's just crazy beautiful here. How you doing, honey?
Good.
Pretty cool like pub restaurant. Check it out. Alright, cheers.
We just got our food.
Alright, so we're about to go to bed. You can't tell right now, but it's around just past 10 p.m. Had an amazing dinner, a crazy day. We basically started in Oslo, being late for our train, caught the train, and went through a snowstorm in halfway to where we are now in Flam. And we rented some bikes, hung out with some sheep. Pretty successful day, I'd say. Alright guys, well I will see you tomorrow and have an awesome night.